Morning students, hope all are good. Let's start our today's class. Pair of linear equations in two variables. Problem number 6. I'll just read the question. Sixth question. Places A and B are 100 kilometers apart on highway. Places A and B are 100 kilometers apart on highway. When I'm reading the question, please look into your textbooks. One car starts from A and another from B. Two places are there, A and B. One car is starting from A, another car is starting from B. At the same time, at same speed. Both cars are starting at same time and same speed. If the cars travel in same direction, they meet in 5 hours. See, the time duration is 5 hours when they are in same direction. And if they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of the car? Okay. See, two cars are starting. Two cars, A and B. This is place A, this is place B. Two cars are starting from this A and B at same time and at same direction. If they are starting in same direction, the time taken is to meet the two cars, the time taken is 5 hours. Okay. Let distance between A and B. Since A and B are 100 kilometers apart, so distance between A and B is 100. Speed of the car starting from A. Speed of the car starting from AB x kilometers per hour. And speed of the car starting from B is y kilometers per hour. Cars are moving in same direction. When cars are moving in the same direction, the relative speed will be what? X minus y. X minus y. If the cars are in opposite direction, it will be x plus y. You know the distance formula. Distance is speed into time. Distance is speed into time. Distance covered by the first car. Okay, the distance covered. When they'll meet, the time taken is what? Time is how much? 5 kilometers. If they are in the same direction, they meet at 5 kilometers. So distance will be what? Speed into time. Speed is how much? X into time, that is nothing but 5x. And distance covered by the second car, speed of the second car is what? Y into 5, that is 5y. That is 5y. So how do you frame? Distance is equals to speed into time. Speed into time. We know that they are traveling in the same direction. वो लोग same direction में travel कर रहे हैं. So relative speed will be what? Minus 5x minus 5y. How much is the distance? Is equals to 100. This is equation 1. 5x minus 5y is equals to 100. Equation 1. Divide throughout by 5 or take 5 common. Divide by 5. So x minus y, 5 ones are 5 2, is equals to 20. This is your equation 1. Equation 1. Why we are taking as minus? 5x minus 5y क्यों कर रहे हैं? They are moving in same direction. So relative speed will be what? X minus y. Is it clear? Now, if the cars are moving in opposite direction, opposite direction में क्या रहेंगे हमारा? Relative speed कितनी रहेंगी माँ? So relative speed will be what? X plus y. चलिए, if the cars are moving in opposite direction, time taken for them to meet is 1 hour. 1 hour. Time taken is 1 hour. Speed क्या है? Distance is equals to speed into time. Speed कितना है हमारा? First car की speed x है. Time कितना है? 1. So that is 1x or x. Speed of the second car की speed कितनी है हमारा? Distance covered by second car क्या है हमारा? Distance का formula क्या है हमारा? Distance is equals to speed into time. Second car की speed कितनी है हमारा? y into 1, that is nothing but y only. Since they are in opposite direction, relative speed is what? Plus x plus y is equals to 100. Distance कितना है हमारा? 100. बोलोगे दोनों के बीच में distance कितना है? 100. Solving 1 and 2. Solving equation 1, that is x minus y is equals to 20, and equation 2, that is solving 1 and 2. X plus y is equals to 100. Plus minus cancel. 2x is equals to 120. X is equals to 120 by 2. 2 ones are 2 6 are. X is equals to 60. Now substituting the value of x in any equation and getting y. X is equals to 60. Substituting x is equals to 60 in any equation. Your wish. I am taking x plus y is equals to 100. 60 plus y is equals to 100. Y is equals to 100 minus 60. So y is equals to 40. Therefore, speed of car starting from A is how much? See, conclusion is very, very important. Starting from A is 60 kilometers per hour. Similarly, speed of the car starting from B is how much? 40 kilometers per hour. हम माइनस कब करें माँ? रिलेटिव स्पीड becomes minus when the cars are traveling in the same direction, and relative speed becomes plus, that is speed x plus y is equals to 100 when the cars are moving in the opposite direction. Is it clear? Yeah, now moving to the next question. Next question is this similar to the one which we have did, that is third question. It is exactly the same. I am going to give the hints. You are going to do it as an homework. I am going to just help you out. You are going to do it as an homework. Two angles are complementary. Two angles are complementary. What does it mean? Two angles are complementary. The sum of two angles should be 90 degrees. The larger angle is 3 less than twice the measure of smaller angle. Find the measure of each angle. Let the larger angle be x and smaller angle be y. Larger angle be x and smaller angle be y. Complementary. Angles are complementary. That means sum of these two angles is 90 degrees. Sum of these two angles is 90 degrees. This is equation 1. Now to frame equation 2. Listen how I am framing. The larger angle is, the larger angle, that is x is means is equals to is. The larger angle is 3 less, that's why I am taking at minus 3 less, twice the measure of smaller angle. That is x is equals to 2y minus 3. So x minus is equal to के इधर आते, प्लस इज इक्वल टू किधर आते, माइनस हो जाता, x minus 2y is equals to minus 3. Equation 2. So your homework is you are going to solve equation 1 and equation 2 and you are going to get the value of x and y. Is it clear? Now I am going to start the 8th problem. Yeah, I am reading the question. Just look into your textbooks. A dictionary has a total number of 1382 pages. A dictionary has a total of 1382 pages. It is broken up into two parts. The dictionary is broken up into the two parts. The second part of the book has 64 pages more than the first part. How many pages are there in each part? So the total of pages in the book, the total number of pages in the book is what? 1382. How many pages are there? 1382. Let the number of pages in the first part be x, number of pages in the first part be x, and number of pages in the second part be y. First part और second part दोनों को मिलाए तो हमको total आ जाता. First part plus second part is equals to 1382. This is equation 1. First part and second part together will get the total number of pages in the book. Now how to frame the second equation? The second part of the book that is y, second part of the book that is y is 64 pages more, 64 pages more than the first part. Is it clear? चलिए x इधर इज इक्वल टू के इधर आते हैं माइनस एक्स प्लस वाई इज इक्वल्स टू 64. इक्वेशन 2. Now what we are going to do? Solving 1 and 2. Solving equation 1 and equation 2. That is x plus y is equals to 1382 minus x plus y is equals to 64. Plus minus get cancel. 2y is equals to 1446. Y is equals to 1446 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 7s are 2, 2s are 2, 3s are. We got the value of second part, that is 723. To get the first part, substituting the value of y in any equation and get the first part. Substituting y is equals to 723 in x plus y is equals to 1382. Substituting the value of y is equals to 723 in equation x plus y is equals to 1382. X plus 723 is equals to 1382. X is equals to 1382 minus 723. When you subtract, you will be getting 659. Therefore, number of pages, conclusion is very important. Number of pages in first part. First part, that is nothing but x. So 659. And number of pages in second part, that is nothing but 723. This is all for today. Have a good day. Watch the videos again and again. If you have any doubt, you can contact me. Thank you for listening. Have a good day. Bye.